Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Ally Bank. Ally Bank is an online-only bank offering a range of financial services including checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, CDS, and even investment options. It's primarily targeted towards tech-savvy individuals and those comfortable managing their finances digitally, who prioritize competitive interest rates and convenient online access. Key features include high-yield savings accounts, 24/7 customer support, and a mobile banking app. Their website, ally.com, provides details on all their products and services. Ally Bank emphasizes its competitive interest rates, often higher than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. They highlight the convenience and accessibility of managing your finances entirely online, with no hidden fees and no monthly maintenance fees on their checking and savings accounts. They leverage technology to offer a seamless digital banking experience, similar to how other fintech companies are disrupting traditional banking. You can easily check availability and open an account directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Ally Bank. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. I opened a checking and savings account online, and the entire process took less than 15 minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. Navigating between accounts, transferring funds, and paying bills was a breeze. I especially appreciated the clear transaction history and the customizable budgeting tools within the mobile app. The app itself is very well designed, making it easy to deposit checks via mobile deposit and manage my finances on the go. Performance-wise, I haven't experienced any issues. The app is fast, reliable, and I've always been able to access my accounts without any problems. I did have a quick question about setting up recurring transfers, and their support team responded within a few hours via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to see all my account balances and recent transactions at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the high-yield savings account. Seeing my savings grow at a faster rate than my previous bank was very satisfying. One minor drawback was the lack of physical branches, which might be a concern for some people who prefer in-person banking. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Ally Bank. It offers a modern and convenient banking experience with competitive rates and excellent customer service. That's my overview of Ally Bank. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.